Going straight across to these pictures where BJP's Parvesh Verma is filing for his nomination. Staying with Delhi elections, and you can see pictures on your screen right now of BJP's Parvesh Verma is contesting against Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency, is filing for his nomination. BJP's fielded Parvesh Verma against Arvind Kejriwal from the national capital. On your screens is Parvesh Verma. The battle for Delhi heating up even further, with the bigwigs now beginning to file their nominations. It's a three-way contest. In the national capital, Parvesh Verma has been at the forefront of launching attacks at Arvind Kejriwal, his opponent, in the New Delhi constituency as well. Battle for Delhi entering its climax. A bumper nomination day today in the national capital with all the top guns in war mode. The Delhi warriors have been visiting temples, seeking divine blessings. AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal is also set to file for his nomination from the New Delhi constituency. His rival Parvesh Verma also has offered prayers, held a roadshow, and now is filing for his nomination. You can see those pictures live on your screens at this point in time. Arvind Kejriwal earlier today with wife Sunita Kejriwal and supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party held a roadshow and is now filing for his nomination is Parvesh Verma. You can see him on your screens right now. There are other netas as well, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Ramesh Biduri, Manish Sisodia, Devendra Yadav, who are filing their nominations for the Delhi Assembly elections today itself. Parvesh Verma, ex-member of Parliament from the West Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, did not contest these elections last year and is all set to contest the Delhi Assembly elections from the New Delhi constituency. All right, I'm going to go straight to Amit Bhardwaj, who's getting in more details on that story at this point in time. He is, in fact, right now at the rally, the roadshow. Amit, I understand that the former Delhi Chief Minister is holding. Give us a sense of what do you see around you. Tell us more.
Right, Sneha, we are getting you these pictures from the streets of the national capital. The India Gate, which had witnessed, political agitations by Arvind Kejriwal, IAC movement in the East Lutyens zone. Now Arvind Kejriwal, along with his family members and women supporters, are marching to the Election Commission office in Jamnagar House. And right there in the visuals is Arvind Kejriwal, along with his wife Sunita Kejriwal, son Pulkit and daughter Harshita. More importantly, right behind them are the women supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party who are walking along Arvind Kejriwal to the Jamnagar House where he will be filing the nomination papers. Now this is also a message to the voters of the national capital. Also a strategic and tactical game, strategy for the Delhi polls that the biggest card for Aam Aadmi Party in this election is the Mahila card, the 2100 rupees scheme for women. And Arvind Kejriwal ensuring that today when he's walking to the Jamnagar House, the women are seen walking along with him, sending across a message that the women supporters, voters of Delhi are with him. In fact, while he was leaving the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, he did urge the women voters to vote for Aam Aadmi Party and ensure that AAP gets a similar majority like 2015 and 2020. I'll request Kunj to get you visuals of the women supporters who were dancing to the tune of Fir Layenge Kejriwal as well. Rakhi Birlan of Aam Aadmi Party is also walking along Arvind Kejriwal. We'll try and get a word as well. Rakhi ji, महिलाओं का समर्थन आप लोग लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
बहुत शानदार, अपने भाई को सारी बहनों का आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है।
100 रुपए वाला कार्ड ही सबसे बड़ा।
नई बिजली, पानी, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, बसों में मुफ्त यात्रा, बेहतर जीवन शैली देने का जो काम अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किया है, महिलाएं उससे खुश हैं।
अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिल्ली की महिलाओं से स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट किया है, लेकिन right there, Rakhi Birlan also showing confidence that AAP will return to power in 2025. This is the mega day of nominations in the national capital. and that's why it's been planned in this manner that Arvind Kejriwal is able to pick all the optics in politics that is possible. First, he went to Valmiki temple in the morning, offered prayers, and that Valmiki temple is located in an area where the lower
I'll just come
economic
back to you in a
strata
moment from now.